The 1250 cab sweeper is easy to operate, economical, and durable. It is an ideal choice for improving cleaning efficiency. The function options of the console mainly include the power display meter. When the battery is low, it must be charged in time. Avoid losing electricity. Sweeper switch, horn, headlights, sprinkler switch, power switch, forward and backward gear, trash cleaning pedal. Pressing on the main brush, baffle will retract the brakes. Electric door pedal, seat adjustment, lever, water tank injection port, dust shaking handle, trash can charging port, sweeping brush. Water valve switch, spray sprinkler port. Before using the machine, add water. Clean up the entanglement of the side brush and trash can. Turn on the power switch to forward gear. Turn on the sweeper switch. Be careful with the middle gear. At the end of the job, the side brush must be completely put away. Turn on the sprinkler switch. Let's start cleaning the floor. After the homework is over, we first do the dust vibration manually, then open the trash can and take out the trash. Charge the machine again.